We're going to explain how to enable the Driver WakeUp Delay feature in RPCS3, a PlayStation 3 emulator. This setting can significantly improve the performance and stability of certain games, especially those prone to crashing or experiencing glitches. Here's how to do it. 1. Locate the RPCS3 configuration. First, you need to open your RPCS3 emulator. Once it's running, locate the config option, usually found in the main menu bar. Click on it to open the configuration settings. 2. Navigate to the graphics settings. Within the configuration window, you'll find a list of categories. Find and select the Graphics tab. This is where most of the visual and performance settings are located. 3. Find the driver section. Inside the graphics settings, you should see a section specifically dedicated to driver options. It might be labeled simply driver or something similar. This section controls how RPCS3 interacts with your graphics card. 4. Enable WakeUp Delay. Look for an option called Driver WakeUp Delay or something very close to that. This setting may be a drop-down menu or a simple checkbox. If it's a drop-down menu, select a value, often measured in milliseconds. A higher value, for example 200 ms or even higher depending on your needs, introduces a longer delay before the graphics card goes into a low-power state. If it's a checkbox, simply check it to enable the feature. 5. Experiment with values. The ideal value for the driver. WakeUp Delay will depend on your system's specific hardware and the games you're playing. Start with a moderate value like 100, 200 milliseconds. If the issue persists, try increasing it incrementally. Too high a value might introduce noticeable input lag, so finding the sweet spot is key. 6. Apply changes and test. After you've adjusted the setting to your liking, click Apply or the equivalent button to save the changes. Now try running the game that was experiencing problems. If enabling the WakeUp Delay and adjusting its value resolves the issue, like frequent crashing, you've successfully optimized your RPCS3 settings. If problems persist, you may need to explore other RPCS3 settings or consider updating your graphics drivers. 7. Important note. Remember that this setting isn't a universal solution, and it might not be effective for every game or system configuration. If enabling the delay doesn't improve performance or still causes issues, you might need to experiment with other RPCS3 settings or check for driver updates for your graphics card. Consider looking for solutions specific to the game you are trying